say a round brush is a big thing, and blow drying the front like towards her face. If you blow dry it back, it kind of looks funny, so blow drying it all towards her face. And also a big thing is before you blow dry with a round brush, make sure the hair is 80% dry. So just like rough dry it 80% and then take a round brush and get that style that you want, the other 20%.
So I noticed yours is a big one and it's made out of wood.
Yes.
Is that important?
Not really, it's kind of more of a preference. Yeah, it depends. I would say the shorter your hair is, the smaller that you want it to be. But it's just a preference.
So the material that it's made out of doesn't really matter either, or?
When it's like a, more of like a metal part, kind of it heats up, so it blow dries faster. So if you want something like that, if you want to blow dry faster, then you want all of this underneath the bristles to be metal.